cycle, definition, cycle in a sentence, cycle, pronunciation, cycle meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of cycle. Cycle. Cy-cle. Cycle. Cycle as a noun means a series of events that are regularly repeated. Common usages in academic writing: a yearly cycle, a carbon cycle, a life cycle, repeat for cycles, an economic cycle. Example sentence: cycle, noun. When trees respirate, they pull in carbon from the atmosphere. This is one of the many stages of the carbon cycle. The common academic writing variation is cyclical, adjective. The data was submitted for analysis on a cyclical basis for 5 years. Please write a sentence using cycle in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use cycle confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.